Drive.
Why he not coming?
I don't know why he coming.
A little bit so, why he not coming?
I'm dead, man.
I'm gonna go back on that side where the tornado going now.
What the ass is this, boy?
I tell you, I stand up and look outside and see the clouds spinning. I said, but you ain't hearing that?
Boy?
I said, are you hearing that?
What you do?
That's nice picture of
Go
us.
back so.
I'm going now.
Go so, yeah.
I said, are you hearing that?
If we could have got the gate open, we could have gone in the house.
Oh, you watch how that breeze blowing there.
Watch that.
Cool!
It passed so go back so Kevin and go back around and the time.
Yeah, come back so. Come back around so.
Red man! Hey, no my room! Red man! We have to go back for Red man!
Go back. Turn the roof on that building, you go back.
We have to go back first.
Hey, turn the roof on that building, you go back.
Red man, red stupid boy!
You go back.
Watch you go, watch.
Hey, turn the roof on that building, you go back. Turn the roof on that building, you go back. She go make back the wrongs.
Watch how that governor is, watch every
You go back.
Hey! Hey! Watch it!
Watch
it! Hey!
Hey, Tony, nobody go. Look, watch out, come in, watch. Hey, come in,
Come in, boy!
Yeah, come in here. Kevin, now let me have to come out.
Get come out to the car, boy.
Wait, go. Wait, watch the road.
Then go. Go down so.
You kidding?
Tony, look, film it. I don't know what place, man. Film it.
Yeah, I'm going back in there.
Don't go back in this one, don't go back in there at all. Let's film, we don't film going on you. But first time I see one other. But you
First time in my life, I didn't even know these things. I tell you, I didn't even know these things could happen down here.
Wait, now we
had to go back. We had to go back for Red man.
You had to go back.
We had to go back for Red man.
They couldn't steal it.
Come on, shall I call Red man? Say Red man, come Red man. We are not listening, Dan.
Yeah, you go back so.
I feel the fan, That's you, guys.
That's the knocks here. I'm telling you, do dread.
Dan, hey, boy.
I see that boy
That's for the first time in my life I ever see that. And you uncle, the inside come outside and stop and watch
no, but you know,
something
wrong. We still you know when it's when they call me, I was to come and see where they call me.
Yeah, because I started. But uncle, I don't know about something that say Jacob. Get up.
I know.
Uncle, I say something that say Jacob, get up and look at that cloud. I stand up and watch your cloud. I say, uncle, are you hearing that something wrong there? You know what? I turn and see the governor is come and say, uncle, let me get out of here.
What you say in that thing?
The car coming now, so we just go in my house.
Yeah, we had to go. We had to pick up Red.
You see why number? You call them and tell them to come outside so let me come out of this place. But what the ass is this? First time in life I see this thing blowing off roof going about the business.
Dan, hey, and Red man himself listening, Dan, boy. Red man himself listening, boy.
And what way? The car started vibrating up?
Yeah.
Tell them come to by the junction now.
Yeah, come in the junction. What you see?
Why ain't come in the car, boy? We
Calling a board in the damn name.
We leave because they didn't want to come. Anything was coming.
Yeah, this boy.
It's still past we house. It's cool down. That's why.